Hello Facebook ads people, you know that in this channel we're always trying to keep you updated, super updated. So I'm managing a lot of accounts and I see from time to time different interfaces that Facebook is introducing. So I know that some of you are having different options when you are creating your campaigns because I'm doing also consulting. And one thing that I'm seeing more often is one new interface that you have when you're going to create new campaigns. And the reason that I'm doing a video about it is because Facebook is working like this. They're putting one change to some accounts. If these accounts, if they have positive feedback from these accounts, they put it to more accounts and then to more accounts. So now I'm seeing this option more and more frequently to other accounts. So I'm guessing that the feedback is going to be positive. So maybe they're going to change and put to all of the campaigns this option. And recently I have created also 2 new ad accounts and I have seen it also as the first option. So I'm guessing that this is something that is going to change and maybe later we're going to have this option, this interface in order to create our conversion campaigns or whatever that may be. Let's jump on my computer and let me show you how to actually create this conversion campaigns and also catalog campaigns, because it's a little bit tricky for someone who is not advanced, and I will see you there. So let me show you the change on the interface. I know I also don't like the changes on the Facebook ad platform, and Facebook is doing a lot of changes. They try to see how they can improve their product, but they end up making the product even more complicated. So let me update you. What we had so far when we were creating a campaign, it was this, okay? We were having brand awareness, reach, traffic engagement, app installs, and the conversion and catalog ads were here. Now, the new thing that we are having is actually this. It looks like a treasure map. Yar. And over here we can see that we are having these nice graphics, as you can see, and we have awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, and here it also mentions the different forms and stuff. So you can see that in awareness we have reach and brand awareness, and what we see here, reach and brand awareness. In consideration here we have traffic, engagement, app installs. The app promotion here with the app installs, okay? So you can see that in the titles you will have the different options here, but here we are going to focus more. Of course, here is for the lead generation. This is the way that you're going to do your instant forms. But here, this is a sales tab, and I'm going to show you how to create a conversion campaign and how to create a catalog campaign. So for a conversion campaign, when you click here, continue to the sales, you will see that the interface is going to be actually the same as you have here, with one exception only, okay? So if we click here, conversions, you can see that we have this option here. Now it changes a little bit. We have this catalog thing, okay? Why? Because if you open this one, if you turn it on, you will actually have a DPA catalog campaign. If not, everything is going to be the same, like having a normal conversion campaign, like always. Ignore these messages, by the way, don't care about them, and don't optimize for link clicks, always optimize for purchases or the event that you actually want. So now, how can you do this to be a DPA catalog campaign, okay? In that case, you can just click create and click catalog sales. You are picking your catalog and it's working. In that case, you will just have to click here, okay? And open it, pick the catalog that you want, CBO campaign, and now you're having actually the interface of the DPA catalog campaign. So here you can work like the same way that you were always working with your DPA. So the only thing that's changing is how you're going to say if it's a conversion or a DPA catalog. By the way, a very important note that I always like to talk about in the catalogs campaigns is that the optimization delivery is by default on link clicks, and you should have it on conversion events to optimize for purchases. This is a very spooky way of Facebook to actually want you to optimize for link clicks, but we want purchases. So everything else is going to be the same. These are the things that I wanted to say about the new interface. Don't worry about it. It's not a big thing because, when you open it, it might be a little bit scary, but, it's okay. Nothing actually changed, and I will see you for the closing of this video. So that's all about the new interface. Nothing super crazy, but still you can see how it works, and if you have a transition to the new interface, you will not have any problem navigating. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check the links below for my book, course, whatever, and I hope to see you in the future video. Don't forget that until we meet again, you have to be creative. You have to be creative and you have to be consistent.